Based out of a new location, but providing the same corrosion services. So this '06 Honda Civic had some muffler detachment issues. We pulled out the old muffler and saw that it too needed to be replaced. So we picked up a new muffler. And now we're concentrating on the meat and potatoes of this repair. So from the resonator here, we can see what we're dealing with as far as an end. Now the new muffler came with a flange, so we need to fit a piece on the end of the resonator tube there that we can mate the muffler to. So a visit to the parts store, and we've got ourselves a flange that will mate up. And so I've gotten under here, I just fetched a pair of nuts and bolts. Now I can get in here and I can size this up, trim this piece so that I can weld it on here and get it fixed properly. And then after that, when it's the right size, obviously, we should just be able to fit this up to it and bolt it together. So we'll carry on with this repair and hopefully give you a little update when it's all done.